Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Bidwell Elementary School, part of the Red Bluff Union Elementary School District, but I'm actually here on site for their spring break fun zone. And so it's various students, teachers, volunteers, workers, etc. from all over Tehama County and here in California, but really the age levels are kind of K through 6 more or less. And I got to share my heart today in 3 separate programs for the various grade levels, age-appropriate assemblies. And the main focus today was on bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first, right? The same way that you see your best friend. And it kind of ties into what they practice, here at this elementary school as to some of the key components that we talked about, being respectful, responsible, kind, obviously being safe. And that means, treating others with respect, treating yourself with that self-love first so you can give it out to someone else. And we know that our heart's as big as our fist, right? But if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself, right? By how you choose to treat them, hopefully with love. But it's also 2, because in just 2 seconds, 1, 2, every action, every heartbeat, every breath, every word, text message, if it's virtual or in person, what we say can really make a difference, and something that could potentially be on someone's heart forever, right? Bullying is something that is repeated over and over and over again on purpose to get power over someone, but the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, those one-time words, can still leave the same mark. So do you want to lift others up or tear them down? We always have this choice, no matter what we've gone through. So a big lesson that I also preach during this particular program is that hurt people hurt people. A big reason why bullying occurs, I feel, but healed people heal people. And if we can step into that, replace some of the hate with love, some of the mean words with those that are kind, we can start to make a difference in this world. And I bring this concept up in all my presentations, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. And some of us have more than one, but you have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects that M, I say, stands for miracle, right? Like the front of my shirt, upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this, right? We have to really, truly believe this and know that, this planet needs so much more love, so much more kindness, and that to instill, that impression on the hearts of these young people here today, it always gives me encouragement, and they're obviously my motivation, my inspiration for what I do. But, when they understand that even at a young age we can make a difference, that's huge, and, it's one of these things that, if we can always, choose love, choose kindness, no matter what we've gone through or are going through or will go through. It's just this positive message that I keep trying to reinforce, through a variety of inspirational videos that we played today, some heartfelt stories, of course, some hip hop music, positive lyrics, the visual aids, the physical props, all that together is how I really try to hit them at the heart level. And I know that they were, definitely, very pumped up. Because I got a lot of great feedback just coming from the students and staff saying that something touched their heart. And I say if it did, well, then that means you have a big heart, and now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others. So thanks for touching my heart today. I hope to be back in the future to keep going on a different topic, a different focus, but similar, and just keep shining that light. As always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.